Hello, welcome to Sunset Marketing. Today we will be presenting our marketing plan for the Robinhood app. Our first speaker will be Manny with our executive summary and also part of our situation analysis.
Good afternoon, Professor and classmates. My name is Manny, and I will be presenting our team's executive summary, market summary, including SWOT analysis, and finally, our firm's recommendations. Robinhood is an American-based financial services company headquartered in Menlo Park, California, and founded by entrepreneurs Vladimir Chenav and Baiju Bhatt. Robinhood has garnered international attention by being the pioneers of creating an online trading platform free of commissions. Through the innovative mobile app, users can trade stocks, exchange traded funds, options, and cryptocurrencies. A brokerage commission is not charged when placing a trade. Robinhood's revenue stream includes money via order flow payments, subscription fees, interest paid on stock loans, and they also receive cash from uninvested funds and interchange fees. The company was founded in 2013 and it has grown to become one of the darlings of the financial tech industry. In July of 2021, Robinhood presented its first initial public offering on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. While more seasoned investors invest in providing for their retirement years, it is essential to point out that the majority or the primary target markets of Robinhood are younger and tech savvy. By January 2015, 80% of the company's customer base was part of the millennial demographic group with an average age of 26. Unfortunately, in late June of 2021, Robinhood experienced some legal problems. The financial industry regulatory authority fined this company with $57 million and was ordered to pay $13 million in restitution charges to cover the affected customers for outages and misleading communications in March of 2020. By implementing our marketing plan, we believe Robinhood can right the ship, improve its financial positioning, regain public trust and confidence, and reestablish itself as one of the financial tech industry leaders. Our team will carefully and methodically walk you through each step of our plan, including a well-tested and researched situation analysis, a sound marketing analysis, a SWOT and competition analysis, coupled with a comprehensive marketing strategy and recommendations. Market summary. A vast number of new generation online investors are saturating the market thanks to the free online trading platforms. There is a growing appetite among the non-heavily experienced or the casual investors to stay clear from using bank-run brokerage firms. If the market continues to hold its current trend of embracing the high-risk, high-reward world of options models, there's every reason to believe this upward trend will continue to experience another significant evolution in the stock market. Users from other major markets, including Europe, Australia, and South America, have gravitated towards Robinhood's platform, appeased by Robinhood's greatest strength, which is simplicity and intuitiveness. Robinhood successfully launched a news feed with a corporate newsletter, along with a podcast with its website called Robinhood Snacks. Now, I will go over the SWOT analysis. The following areas are where Robinhood is strong. 1. Cost. Robinhood is considered a true discount broker. Streamlined interface. One of Robinhood's major selling points is the simplicity to use their mobile app. 3. Free cryptocurrency trading. Robinhood is still one of the few brokers that lets you trade cryptocurrencies for free. And lastly, IPO access. Robinhood offers its users to actively engage in the participation of the company's initial public offering, another value typically reserved for financial companies. Weaknesses. No retirement accounts. Unfortunately, Robinhood only offers brokerage accounts which are later taxed. No mutual funds or bonds. In the absence of mutual funds and bonds, it may be virtually impossible to have a truly comprehensive and diversified investment portfolio. 4. Limited customer support. Robinhood has not managed to make noticeable strides in the area of providing a full-fledged customer support package. like other brokers do. They are still continuing to make improvements to its customer services department. And 4, reliability. Robinhood has faced strong pushback for ultimately engaging in outages and trade restrictions during periods of market volatility. Several charges by the financial regulators for misleading customers have resulted in a great amount of fines. Opportunity. Trade securities. Robinhood can capitalize in offering more tradable securities such as mutual funds and bonds so that users can start building a more diversified and long-term portfolio. Robinhood does, however, have the ability to continue offering access to many companies, especially foreign companies, to the American depository receipts. Secondly, account fees. Robinhood could lower their outgoing current charges of $75 transfer fee to remain competitive among the brokerage market. Thirdly, revamping customer services. Robinhood has an opportunity to increase its customer support efforts by lowering the wait times a user has to experience when they submit questions to its app's help section. They can also avoid lengthy downtimes, improve on waiting time to speak to a live representative, and responding to emails. These simple opportunities, if taken seriously, will add to the company's marketing value. And lastly, research and data. Another opportunity, if properly executed and seized upon, will render Robinhood equal footing among a number of other firms competing in the market. There is ample room for Robinhood to increase the presence of researching tools with accurate and up-to-date data. Information displaying data such as analyst ratings, lists of top movers, earning calendars, and links to earnings call charts via its mobile app will also be of great benefits to its users. Threats. There are many Robinhood competitors who are willing to provide more alternatives and offer incentives to have paid off in major ways for them. Robinhood is at a disadvantage because they struggle to keep its information accurate and secure. Robinhood app has come under great scrutiny for its decision to restrict trading during very high and volatile market conditions. This behavior has allowed other brokers to take precautions and take advantage of Robinhood's self-inflicted financial wounds. Now, I will be handing over my presentation to Shantell, which will go over the competition analysis and Porter 5 forces. Shantell?
Our competitive analysis are also known as the Porter 5 Ps. The Porter 5 Ps are rivalry amongst existing firms, threat of new entry, threat of substitution, bargaining power of buyers, and bargaining power of suppliers. The threat of new entries are new apps that are similar to the Robinhood app that come into the market. They're apps who come into a market, and the only thing that will set Robinhood apart is if they continue to be different and offer different products and services that are different from the other apps. The threat of substitution are consumers or users choosing other apps over Robinhood. The power of the customer because the Robinhood app had a few issues in 2015, the power of the customer is high. So therefore, Robinhood has to constantly make itself look better and more pleasing to the customer because of the incident in 2015. The power of supplier is the power that the Robinhood app has against the want and need the wants and needs that it has for consumers. And honestly, their power of supplier is low because of they had an incident that did not go well. Competitive rivalries are apps that are other financial apps and other financial institutions that allow their customers and users to save financially. So our Robinhood has a debit card, they have a savings account, they have investments, and you can also, they have all these other features that other apps also have. For example, Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is really big, so therefore everyone is trying to learn about it and learn how to use it and learn how they could basically make their Bitcoin work for them. So, and this is a problem because it's so big that people focus more on, or the target market for Robinhood focus more on learning Bitcoin and other financial resources than actually investing with the Robinhood app. So that is something that they are concerned about and should be concerned about. Next, our marketing strategy. So the objective. So the marketing strategy objective, our objective is to be number one in the market so our users increase. We need our users to increase because with the increase in that actually equals an income increase for the Robinhood app. So in order for us to continue to increase, because we did recently increase to 18.4 million users, so therefore that's great, but we can do better. So by providing different opportunities for the user, like for example, we have our notification system. So with the notification system notifies the user, like for investment opportunities. They notify them if they receive dividends. They also have notifications for new investment opportunities, meaning when certain companies go public. Robinhood is very good at notifying before the company goes public, and then also the day of. They notify their users of a company going public, so that if necessary, or if they would like, a user has the ability to go ahead and invest their money into that company. Thank you. And next we'll have Cristian with our segmentation, targeting, and positioning section, and also our marketing mix. Thank you.
Thank you, Shantell, for the objectives of the marketing strategy. Now I'm going to talk about segmentation, targeting, and positioning. A crucial advantage of a product can have within its market from a marketing perspective is the awareness of the consumer. If the product is well marketed, then the opportunity to raise an interest among consumers could lead to potential growth, and it will most likely reciprocate in customer retention and loyalty to the product's brand. Therefore, this market is segmented into 3 consumer profiles: novice option traders, low to middle income people, and the tech savvy. Since Robinhood's launch in 2015, there were 0.5 million users on their platform. For 2021, the platform has welcomed about 22.5 million users worldwide. That's a 22 million user increase since they first started 6 years ago. This growth has been reflected in transactions over $50 billion. Many of those transactions are made by the first consumer profile, the novice option traders. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, option traders were discontent and expressed their dissatisfaction when Robinhood halted trades of GameStop and BlackBerry stock. Soon after the scandal reached a number of media outlets, Robinhood CEO Vladimir Tinev apologized and recognized that consumers, including option traders, who were impacted during the court hearing following the class action lawsuit. The second consumer profile is a significant portion of the users, the low to middle income people, that were attracted to Robinhood because of the free commission charge and the fractional investment options. These choices were made with the intention to attract the average population and deter the misconception of needing large amounts of capital to invest in stocks. The two different consumer profiles culminate with the third profile, the tech savvy. Every single Robinhood user has to have some technological knowledge to either manage the app or website. The need to be an expert in technology is unnecessary for Robinhood's easy to navigate interface. But the understanding of technology used is needed for option trading, for the use of graphs, and knowing how to complete the payment for order flow. Not to mention how adding cryptocurrency to their platform has drawn attention to the tech savvy community. For the marketing strategy, with Robinhood optimization in both customer support and their option trading product, the targeting approach will consist of all four segmentation bases: the geographic, demographic, behavioral, and psychographic. Geographic segmentation because all the transactions and products are offered online and in many different regions, but many of the regions outside the US have different financial restrictions and regulations. In order for the reinvented product to work, the geographic segment may be narrowed down to North American market. Because the financial system is well known and its majority of users reside in this region, giving a larger investment to counter competitors. Demographic segmentation to determine an age of most users, considering the technological gap among the older generation. Not many users belong to the baby boomers or the previous generations. In fact, more than 14 million of Robinhood users are in their early 30s, the average age being 31, which makes the young investor, millennials, and Generation C as our primary target. The psychographic segmentation considers the social class and lifestyle of who we are targeting. To argue that financial struggles have been on the rise, people in the middle and lower class interested in investing are sourcing to fractional investment, where they can invest as much or as little money as they desire. Lastly, behavioral segmentation determines which users have the higher usage rate. Option trading has multiple transactions per day. Since the market works on the slight moves in the price per stock per time, the most usage rate is found in option traders. To position the product in order for Robinhood needs to settle the controversy surrounding the stock trading regulations and assure that the target consumer, their transactions are as safe and efficient as the ones offered by competitors. Emphasizing and restructuring their customer service operations, Robinhood can position their product firmly and take the responsibility to satisfy the average consumer. The positioning of these products rely heavily in the SWOT analysis, maximizing their profit with their strengths like crypto offering, their platform, and the accessibility in mobile devices. However, the integration of the new features were determined after particularly focusing on the weaknesses and feedback provided by the users themselves. Robinhood hopes to position their product as a way to amend their wrongdoing and prove they are a fierce competitor to the other online investment platforms, seeking the opportunity to rebrand option trading as a mature, serious, and supportive interface. Now we move on to the marketing mix. For the marketing mix, we focus on the product. One of Robinhood's primary products to their users and was already discussed in the segment in the positioning of the product, is options investment. We are hoping to renovate and reconstruct this product by providing a comprehensive decision framework, which will reflect the effects of a pricing decision on the distribution decision. According to most sources used for this strategy, that includes NerdWallet, LinkedIn, Investopedia, and Robinhood, a lot of consumers reflect dissatisfaction on how the company handles the customer support, tradable securities, the educational resources provided, and the trading platform itself. These indicators have helped to understand the needs and improvements of their platform to satisfy consumers. Integrating a 24-hour customer support software named Help Scout to give the proper assistance 5 days a week, which is usually when the stock market is open for traders. In addition, another issue we hope to resolve with this product relates to their platform for options trading. Because of the simplicity and easily accessible interface, many recent critics argued it's made complex trading strategies such as options trading too accessible to inexperienced users, for which we can integrate courses and promote Discord groups. Discord is a popular social media platform among investors to educate inexperienced traders and to revitalize their options trading interface to a more serious one, with less playful image to indicate the high risk involved with option trading. For the price, after considering the changes to the existing product and recognizing that the product is in the growth phase of the product life cycle, we can set our price objective following the analysis of demand, cost, and competitors. Our price objective is to sustain the product and maximize profit. Improve models so that high price to finance more features, design, complementary services, and learning from issues from the first generation. Since the new product offers an integrative state-of-the-art software for customer assistance and better educational resources, this leads to a charge of 25 cents per transaction fee when utilizing the options investing per option trade, reasoning with the number of trades done per trading day and the average amount of stake per trade. For the promotion, in order for us to renovate the product, we considered three components for the promotion of this product. The first component is linking the brand to the innovative technology implemented to their options investment platform. Second is to advertise the integration of the customer assistance technology as a solution to one of the aspects. And the last component is to stream advertisement on social media platforms. In particular, Discord, the app already mentioned and highly used among investors. We can use it for Robinhood's educational resources, partnering with major Discord servers delivering investment advice primarily with options investing like trading signals, trading with Rama, trading pharaohs, etc. Promoting their servers while they promote the use of Robinhood as the ultimate option trading platform in comparison to their competitors. Most of the trading servers usually offer educational videos towards trading through different social media platforms, which could possibly project the brand through these platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Meta. This strategy can expand the reach of the product and possibly reach a larger demographic while satisfying and maintaining the trust of the early adopters and the majority adopters, while gaining the trust and reputation of former users. The place for this product, as discussed in the promotion of the product, we focus on broadening our distribution networks digitally, with an estimated reach across the most popular social media platform in the United States. To keep up with the market demand, we have increased the level of quality with this product while boosting the customer service communications nationwide as an effort to solve the issues expressed by our customers. By associating our platform with Help Scout, it stirs our focus towards a serious, redefined interface to tackle our reliability issues in regards to untimely outages during market volatility. Thank you, and I'm gonna pass it down to recommendations by Manuel.
Hi, class. Once again, this is Manny, and I will be closing with our team recommendations. In order for Robinhood to remain viable and competitive in the free online trading industry, here is our official recommendation position. To properly safeguard personal information, we highly recommend Robinhood hiring a third-party source that specializes in maintaining high integrity on users' private, personal, and trading information. This will ease users' concerns about the safeguarding of any of their personally identifiable information. 2. Remove any 30-day holding obligations. 3. Reduce order flow risk with new coins that are part of the Mimi universe. Say, for an example, a Squid Game crypto coin was at 30 cents at the beginning of trading, and then it went up 250,000% in a matter of hours. Then it comes back down to 1 cent. It is the Mimi company behind the trading that allows stock prices fluctuate. Also, 4. Introduce and offer add-on services such as financial advice and research services. And lastly, increase available corporate capital to help secure buying and selling transactions and not wait until the clearinghouses provide the funding necessary to finish all concerned trading orders. Good evening, and this concludes our presentation.
Thank you. This concludes our marketing plan for the Robinhood app.